After updating Moho to version 14.3, are you seeing weird timeline problems? Hey, where are my bone channels? And why is the wind channel keyframed? Hey, welcome back to Little Green Dog's animation tutorial series. If you just updated Moho 14 to version 14.3, you might be in for a little surprise. Moho's timeline might not display what you expected. For example, you might see the wind or Vitruvian bones channel mysteriously keyframed. I know I didn't keyframe this channel. Is Moho gaslighting me? Or even worse, the keyframes in the bones channel have vanished, even though they are animated. This can happen if the timeline channel settings were changed in your previous version of Moho 14. To fix this, you need to reset the timeline channels in your current version of Moho 14. Lucky for us, this is easy to do. First, select a bones layer. If you don't see a bones layer, create one and select it. Now choose the menu command, View, Timeline Channels. As we scroll through the window, some settings may look different from your previous settings. Scroll back to the top and click the All Auto button. This will reset the timeline channels to Moho's default settings. If you want to, you can customize the timeline channel settings now. I prefer to set all my colored bone channels to none. Now close the window. And look at this. My keyframes are back. And the wind channel is no longer keyframed. We should also do this for vector layers. Select a vector layer, and once again choose View Timeline Channels. If you see strange settings here, we can fix it the same way. Scroll up to the top and click the All Auto button. Close the window, and we're good to go. This fix can be applied to group layers too, but I haven't noticed a problem with group settings. To be sure the settings stick, you should quit Moho and relaunch it. So why did this happen? Moho 14.2 and 14.3 added new animation channels that didn't exist in previous versions of Moho. And this change affected how Moho tracks channels in the timeline. Thankfully, resetting the timeline channels window is an easy way to fix it. Now, if you're not seeing any problems with the timeline, that's good. And it likely means you did a clean program install of Moho rather than updating. Or the settings in the timeline channels window were never customized in the previous version. If you're unsure, it doesn't hurt to reset the timeline channels window anyway, and you only have to do it once. I hope you found this troubleshooting tip helpful. Thanks for watching, stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you soon.